What if I told you that just 5 simple exercises could be the difference between needing a walker at 75 and still dancing at your grandchild's wedding? Here's something doctors don't tell you. After 65, we lose muscle mass at an alarming rate of 8% per year. But here's what's incredible. There are 5 specific movements that can literally reverse this process, and you can do them all in your living room while watching your favorite TV show. Stay with me because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to reclaim your strength, eliminate chronic pain, and maintain your independence for decades to come. And trust me, this isn't another complicated fitness routine that you'll give up on in a week. I've been working with seniors for over 15 years, and I've witnessed this transformation happen hundreds of times. The secret isn't complicated workouts or expensive equipment that ends up collecting dust in your garage. It's understanding exactly what your body needs at this stage of life and giving it the right stimulus to rebuild itself. Look, I know you've probably tried those complicated gym routines, expensive equipment, or those miracle supplements that promise the world but deliver absolutely nothing. Maybe you're dealing with knee pain that makes you wince every time you stand up, back stiffness that greets you like an unwelcome visitor every morning, or you've noticed it's getting harder to get up from your favorite chair without using your arms for help. Here's what's really happening in your body after 65, and why most people feel like they're fighting a losing battle. You lose 3 to 8% of muscle mass every year. That's like losing a pound of precious muscle annually. Your balance deteriorates by 6% per decade, which explains why stairs suddenly feel scarier. Bone density decreases, making fractures more likely from simple falls. Your posture changes, affecting your breathing and confidence. But here's the good news that will change everything. This isn't inevitable. Your body is designed to get stronger at any age when you give it the right stimulus. I've seen 80-year-olds become stronger than they were at 70. The problem is, most exercise programs for seniors are either too complicated, too intense, or completely ignore what your body actually needs at this stage of life. What I'm about to show you isn't just a workout. It's your blueprint for independence, your insurance policy against becoming dependent on others. These 5 exercises target the exact areas that determine whether you'll thrive or merely survive in your golden years. Posterior chain strength, your body's foundation for everything you do. Functional lower body power, for conquering stairs, chairs, and walking with confidence. Circulation and balance, your personal fall prevention system. Posture and upper back, your instant confidence booster that takes years off your appearance. Functional upper body strength, for maintaining daily independence. Each exercise builds on the others, creating a complete system that works with your body's natural healing ability, not against it. Exercise 1, chair squats. Let's start with what I call the independence maker, the chair squat. This is the single most important movement for maintaining your independence as you age. Your legs are your body's foundation. But here's the shocking problem. Most seniors have what experts call sitting disease. Your leg muscles have literally forgotten how to work properly from years of sitting, which is exactly why getting up from chairs feels like climbing Mount Everest, and why your legs feel weak and unsteady. Think about it. When your leg muscles don't fire properly, every movement becomes a struggle. Getting out of cars becomes an ordeal. Climbing stairs feels impossible, and walking any distance leaves you exhausted. Here's how to rebuild that crucial leg strength. Find a sturdy chair, not too soft, not too low. Sit down with your feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Cross your arms over your chest, or hold them out in front for balance. Keep your back straight, like you're sitting for a portrait. Lean slightly forward from your hips. This is the secret to success. Push through your heels and stand up without using your hands. Stand tall and proud at the top. Shoulders back, chest out. Slowly lower yourself back down, controlling the descent. Lightly touch the chair and immediately stand back up. Week 1, start with 5 repetitions. Focus on perfect form, not speed. Week 2, increase to 8 repetitions. You should start feeling stronger. Week 3, work up to 12 repetitions. This is where you'll really notice the difference. Week 4, add a 2-second pause at the bottom before standing. You're now officially strong. Too difficult? Use a higher chair or place a pillow on the seat. The key is the movement pattern, not the depth. Too easy? Try lowering down very slowly, 5 seconds, or hold your arms overhead while standing. Within 2 weeks, you'll notice. Getting up from chairs becomes effortless. No more pushing with your arms. Your legs feel stable and strong like tree trunks. Walking feels more powerful and confident. You'll actually want to walk more. Getting out of cars becomes smooth and graceful. Exercise 2. Marching in place, the foundation builder. Next up is marching in place, your secret weapon against balance problems and your ticket to walking with confidence again. This single exercise rebuilds the exact coordination and strength you use every single day. Walking without fear of falling, navigating uneven surfaces, catching yourself if you trip, and maintaining your balance in crowded places. Most seniors avoid walking because they're terrified of falling. I completely get it. But marching in place gives you all the benefits of walking practice with complete safety and control. It's like having a personal trainer built into your living room. Stand behind a sturdy chair for support. Keep your feet hip-width apart for stability. Stand tall with your shoulders back. Look straight ahead, not down at your feet. Lift one knee up as high as comfortable. Aim for hip height if possible. Hold for 1 second at the top. This builds balance. Lower it down with control. Immediately lift the other knee. Keep alternating like you're marching in a parade. Swing your opposite arm naturally if you're not holding the chair. The mental game that separates beginners from pros: focus on lifting your knees, not just moving your feet. This engages your hip flexors and core muscles, the real keys to better balance. Week 1. March for 30 seconds, just getting used to the movement. Week 2, work up to 45 seconds, building that coordination. Week 3, aim for 60 seconds. You're getting strong now. Week 4, try marching without holding the chair for 10 to 15 seconds. You're officially balanced. Too difficult? March while sitting in a chair or just rock from foot to foot. Too easy? March without holding the chair or add arm movements like a soldier. Within just 1 month, you'll notice. Walking becomes smooth and confident. Your balance improves dramatically. No more wobbling. You can navigate curbs and uneven surfaces with ease. You walk with the confidence of someone 20 years younger. Exercise 3, seated leg extensions, the circulation booster. Now for what I call the circulation booster, seated leg extensions. This simple exercise is about to become your best friend. Your quadriceps, front thigh muscles, are literally your body's powerhouse for standing, walking, and climbing stairs. When these muscles are weak, everything becomes a struggle. This is exactly why so many seniors feel like their legs are made of jelly, and why simple activities like getting up from the toilet become major ordeals. When your quads are weak, your knees become unstable, your walking becomes shuffling, and your confidence plummets like a stone. Sit in a sturdy chair with your back supported. Place your hands on the sides of the chair for stability. Keep your feet flat on the floor to start. Sit up tall like you're being photographed. Slowly straighten one leg out in front of you. Flex your foot, point your toes toward your shin. Hold for 2 full seconds at the top. Feel those muscles working. Lower slowly, taking 3 seconds to come down. Don't let your foot touch the floor. Keep the tension. Complete all reps on one leg before switching. Breathe in as you lift your leg. This gives you power. Hold your breath during the 2-second pause. This intensifies the work. Breathe out as you lower your leg. This helps you control the movement. Week 1, 8 to 10 repetitions per leg, 1 set, getting those muscles awake. Week 2, 12 to 15 repetitions per leg, 2 sets, building strength. Week 3, 15 to 20 repetitions per leg, 2 sets, you're getting strong now. Week 4, 20 to 25 repetitions, or add ankle weights, you're officially advanced. If this is too difficult, just lift your leg slightly and hold it there. Even small movements build strength. For an advanced challenge, add ankle weights or point and flex your foot at the top. After 2 to 4 weeks of daily practice, standing up becomes effortless and smooth. Climbing stairs feels natural again. Your knees feel stable and strong. Walking longer distances becomes enjoyable. You feel powerful and confident in your movements. Exercise 4. Shoulder blade squeezes, the posture fixer. Here's the posture fixer that will literally take 10 years off your appearance, shoulder blade squeezes. And the best part? You can do this anywhere, anytime. Poor posture isn't just about looking older than your years. It affects your breathing capacity by up to 30%, reduces your confidence, affects your digestion, and even impacts your mood. When you slouch, your body literally thinks you're depressed and responds accordingly. This simple movement reverses decades of slouching and forward head posture that makes you look like you're carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders. Sit or stand tall with your arms relaxed at your sides. Imagine there's a golden string pulling the top of your head toward the ceiling. Let your arms hang naturally by your sides. Take a deep breath and relax your shoulders. Squeeze your shoulder blades together like you're trying to hold a pencil between them. Don't lift your shoulders up toward your ears. Pull them back and down. Hold for 5 full seconds while breathing normally. This is crucial. Feel your chest open up and your posture improve instantly. Release slowly and feel your shoulders settle into their new, better position. Repeat immediately while the muscles are warm and responsive. Lifting shoulders up instead of back, this engages the wrong muscles. Holding your breath, keep breathing to stay relaxed. Rushing the movement, slow and controlled, is infinitely better. Not holding long enough. The 5-second hold is where the real strength builds. Morning routine, 10 repetitions. When you wake up, start your day standing tall. Hourly breaks, 5 repetitions. Every hour you're sitting, break up that slouching. Evening routine, 10 repetitions before bed. End your day with good posture. Week 1 through 2. Basic squeezes. 10 repetitions, learning the movement. Week 3 through 4. Add arm movements. Squeeze and lift your arms out to the sides. Week 5 plus. Try holding light weights or water bottles while squeezing. Within 1 week, you'll naturally stand taller without even thinking about it. Breathing becomes easier and deeper. You'll feel more energized. Neck tension starts to decrease like melting ice. Within 1 month, people will comment that you look taller and more confident. Chronic neck and shoulder pain improves dramatically. Your clothes will fit better as your posture improves. Exercise 5. Standing heel-to-toe walk, the independence builder. Finally, the ultimate balance and coordination builder, the standing heel-to-toe walk. This exercise is your insurance policy against falls and your ticket to walking with confidence anywhere. This single exercise builds the exact balance and coordination you need for daily activities that keep you independent. Walking on uneven surfaces, navigating crowds, catching yourself if you trip, and, most importantly, maintaining your confidence when moving through the world. Here's the perfect technique that anyone can master. Stand beside a wall or sturdy furniture for safety. Keep your support within arm's reach, but don't lean on it. Start with your feet in a normal standing position. Look straight ahead, not down at your feet. Place one foot directly in front of the other. The heel of your front foot should touch the toes of your back foot. Take a slow, controlled step forward. Keep your arms out to the sides for balance. Focus on a point straight ahead. This helps with balance. Take 5 to 10 steps forward, then turn around and walk back. Move slowly and deliberately. This isn't a race. If you feel unsteady, stop and regain your balance. Use the wall for support whenever you need it. Quality over quantity. 5 perfect steps beat 20 wobbly ones. Beginner. Week 1 through 2. Walk along a wall, using it for light support, 5 steps forward, 5 steps back. Focus completely on the movement pattern. Intermediate. Week 3 through 4. Walk without touching the wall, but keep it close. 10 steps forward, 10 steps back. You're getting confident now. Advanced. Week 5 plus. Try walking in a straight line away from the wall. Add gentle head turns while walking. You're officially a balanced champion. Always have support nearby. If you feel dizzy or unsteady, stop immediately. Start with fewer steps and build gradually. There's no shame in using support when needed. Balance and coordination for all walking activities. Confidence for navigating any surface. Quick reactions to prevent falls. Overall stability and grace in movement. After just 2 weeks of daily practice, walking on uneven surfaces becomes natural. Your confidence in crowds returns. You feel stable and sure-footed. The fear of falling starts to disappear. Here's your simple daily routine that fits into any schedule. Morning energizer, 3 minutes. Chair squats, 8 to 12 repetitions. Wake up your powerhouse muscles. Shoulder blade squeezes, 10 repetitions. Start your day standing tall. Midday movement break, 2 minutes. Marching in place, 30 to 60 seconds. Rebuild your coordination. Seated leg extensions, 10 per leg. Boost your leg strength. Evening strength builder, 2 minutes. Heel to toe walk, 10 steps forward and back. End with balance practice. Can't find 7 minutes in a row? That's perfectly fine. Do leg extensions while watching TV, shoulder blade squeezes during commercial breaks, chair squats after meals, marching while waiting for your coffee to brew, and heel-to-toe walking in your hallway. The key is consistency, not perfection. 5 exercises done consistently will beat 50 exercises done sporadically every single time. Look, you have 2 choices. You can keep doing what you're doing and hope things don't get worse. Or you can take 5 minutes today to start building the strength and independence you deserve. Your future self is counting on the decision you make right now. These aren't just exercises. They're your insurance policy for independence. They're your guarantee that you'll be dancing at family weddings, playing with grandchildren, and living life on your terms for decades to come. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple, effective health tips designed specifically for people who want to age with strength and dignity. And remember, it's not about adding years to your life. It's about adding life to your years. What exercise will you start with today? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll personally respond with tips to help you succeed.